Hi guys, Tony here. As part of what I want to do with my email marketing, I want to start delivering a little bit more value and stuff, instead of just writing sort of randomly. Maybe once or twice a week, give you some really good content. What I want to cover today is how to get a Wikipedia link. Now I'm going to show a couple of methods, but I'm not going to do this step by step. That's inside the Fiverr SEO blueprint for those that took it. So what I'll do is I'll give you an overview, but it will be clear enough that you understand how to do it, okay? What you see here is I'm over at commons.wikimedia.org. Okay, if you go over there, what you need to do is you need to create an account here, and then when you do create an account, what you can do then is you can upload a file here. So if I go over to files that I've already uploaded, all you have to do is just click on here, upload a file. Let me just show you actually. Go to this page. And my computer is always a little bit slow when I'm using Camtasia. Where you've got here the upload wizard, go to here where it says back to the old form, okay, and then you can start clicking around here. Now you want to choose something that is entirely my own work. Click on that, and you can come down here and you can choose a file. Now you give you have to put in here the name of file and stuff like that, but what's really important here is that we put in the source. The original source in here is where you're going to put in a link to a page on your website. But before you can do that, it's really important that you have that image on that particular page, okay? So let me just show you an example of that. If I go over to accident claims compensation.org.uk, and just pause because it's coming. Now what I need to do here is I'm just going to come down and click on the landing page here. Right, so that's loaded now. What you will see here is an image. Right, now what I've done is I've gone to Wikipedia, and let me just find Wikipedia, and I've gone to the page of a place in London called Willesden Green, okay? I went to the underground station. I took a picture with my iPhone, which is here. This is the image that I uploaded via Wikimedia. It must be your own image. I tried this before by taking an image from Flickr, and I put it onto this web page here, and they found out immediately that it was from Flickr, and then they gave the credit over to Flickr. They took away the credit from me and put it over to Flickr. So I went and did it again, and I took an image myself. So this is completely my own work, entirely my own work, as we just stated here. And basically what you need to do is put a link from the page on your site where that image now exists, your own image, right? And you put it in here. So you just need to fill in the rest of the details like the author and date of work, etc. It's very simple and easy to do. Then you can upload the file. Now when you've got the file uploaded, you can see in here, where is it? Let's just see. Let me go back one. No, I need to go forward one. So this is the page where I log in, I guess, right? So when we in here, where's my... Oh, because I'm not logged in. Excuse me a second. I need to log in one more time. That's why I wasn't finding anything. Right, now what you see here is up here you've got my contributions. So when you've done your upload, you will see my contributions. And when you click on there, you can see the files and stuff that you've put in there. So you can see here I've got uploaded files, and if I click on this, you can see my images there. Now when we scroll down, what you will find is the source has got the page, has got the link to the image on my website here for accident claims in London. Right, now if we go over here to the actual page and we click on this, you can see the image is there, and this is on wikipedia.org now, and you will see the source is with accidentclaimscompensation.org.uk. That's how you get a wiki link. Other way you can do it, but less likely to work. I tried this, and I've actually done a video of this on Fiverr Blueprint when we were going through this in week 8, I think it was. I had put this keyword here, electronic cigarette. I had put a link here to an electronic cigarette site that I was building. You can see here they've taken off. They're quite diligent when it comes to new links being put on, and I think the only way that you can do this, the best way to do this, is take your own image and get an image link. And what you should be doing is maybe adding some links every week, but not too aggressive. Put some links to other people's pages and things like that too. Maybe put some links to, you know, other authority sites where you're not really linking all the time to yourself, and that will work pretty well. But really simple to do. You can see how that one has stayed there because it's my own image, and it's really, you just go in there and fill in these details out, upload your file, make sure it's your own file and save it, and the source code, the original source is the key point here. Now there is somewhere in this process it's asking you to take the code so that you can put it into Wikipedia. When it does that, when you go over there to take that code, what you need to do then is to take the thumbnail version. It will give you the choices here of a thumbnail or not. Take the thumbnail version, it will give you a little code, you put it into that Wikipedia page. Okay, and to put it into Wikipedia page is really simple. Let me just show you. So basically what I did here is went to Willesden Green, and you can see there's different categories here within Wikipedia. So there's got the tube, perfect for me. So all I had to do was click on here, edit, and there's a shortcode that I got from the thumbnail. You can see it's got thumb in the middle here, and that will stay in there and it will sit nicely. Okay, that's as simple as it is. I mean, I can't really explain it any simpler than that. That's just how you go and get an image link from Wikipedia. It's a backlink going back to your page. So I hope you found this quite useful. If you've got any questions, you can send me an email, and we're going to start up, not a forum, I don't want to do a forum, but we will start up a Skype chat, I think, at some point in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I want to get that done, but I've got a new WSO coming out next week, and I need to get that one out of the way first, because usually when I get a product out, there's a bit of support needed. Now, we're not using outsourcers for support and stuff, so if you've got any questions, just be a little bit patient with us. I'm not sitting at the computer all the time answering emails. I've got to do some videos and other bits and pieces, and I've got a business to run too. But if I see something, we answer it immediately, so just bear with us. For the new people who have joined us, who have taken the offer for the WordPress SEO Blueprint, start using the clone and start to see the power of it. It's really good and well put together. There's more than 3.5 hours work there. It's a really good thing to be able to allow you to get sites up really fast. I find using WP Twin is the simplest and easiest way to do it. It takes 2 minutes, you know, just to set up WP Twin. It takes about 5 minutes to upload the clone, depending on your internet connection, and you're up and running. You just got to start filling in your titles and the other stuff, and go for it. Don't forget to use the Core Tweaks plugin first. Fill in your details there first, and get your privacy policy, your contact page, your Google Maps, etc. done. And the other plugins that we added this time, the schema review, try and use it. It's absolutely awesome. It's a really good thing to have. Also use the movies plugin, the one that records what people do when on your site, and you can play around with the on-page SEO stuff as well. It's incredible that all that kind of stuff there is available free. And the social metrics plugin as well. Well, I know that Daniel Tan has come out with a recent one as a WSO Pro version, but that one is okay just to play around with and see if you like it. And I think the Pro version was about $21 the last time I looked at it. I bought the Pro version myself, so I would recommend that. It's just something quite good. Now, if you don't know what to do with the social metrics when you see it on the web page, all you really need to do, and the easiest and simplest way to do it, if you will probably get to know once you go through the videos, I like simple solutions. Go over to Fiverr.com and buy some social media links. Go and get some kind of a jump start on your social media. You can buy like 5 digs, 5 Forked, 5 Reddit, that kind of links. Get one of those little packages for $5 and drive some links that way to your web page whenever you see things like that. And you'll be able to see some stuff as well at the end of the WordPress SEO Blueprint. There's things that you should do after every blog post. that includes doing social media links and stuff like that as well. So I hope you got some value from this, how to get a Wikipedia link to your webpage. And it's really simple stuff, but you've got to use it, guys. You've got to use it. There's no point in me teaching you stuff and you just soaking it in like a sponge. Go and play with it, try it, and see if it makes a difference to your web pages that you're trying to rank. Okay, thanks, bye.